siya magsusurvive? May hangin, may pagkain, may aircon ba doon? Sa tingin ninyo, ano pang pwedeng madidiscover ninyo doon sa ilalim? Kung meron talaga kayong hinahanap doon sa ilalim after 13 days po.
Your Honor, as for your first question, I'm not an expert on the rescue and on how long can a rescue be conducted. However, on the second issue, whether a person can survive in bunker for so long, what we are looking here, sir, is the end of the world type bunker or Mageddon type bunker that can support life for extended periods of time. So there's really no assurance, there's really no estimates on how long they can survive in here, because we believe that they can survive for not only 13 days but more than or extended periods of time, because we're not looking here, sir, at an ordinary makeshift bunker. This is something that is built by somebody who has 2 airplanes and 2 helicopters in his hangar, so among others. So this is something that's can be done and can really be built by somebody in his stature.
So, sa tingin mo, kayang mag-survive ng ilang buwan dyan?
Given enough resources, sir, people can really survive below ground, and which I will cover in my presentation later on, sir.
May kuryente doon sa ilalim?
Yes, sir, definitely. Ventilation, current, food, water, all the work, sir. And it could be very, very a comfortable life for a person, sir.
And then yung ulang tanong ko kanina, yung endgame dito, tatanungin ko rin sa AUJC dito. Anong endgame ba rito? Anong in-expect po natin?
That's also covered in the last 3 slides of my presentation, sir. That will be covered. The endgame, sir, is really...
You can address the question directly.
Yes,
We don't have to wait for your presentation.
we will not stop until Mr. Kibuloy is arrested, because we really gonna turn our back against the helpless and voiceless victims of Mr. Kibuloy.
So, meaning you intend to stay there forever? Forever hindi makita si Pastor Kibuloy?
We have some recommendations in my presentation so that we can end this positively, sir. Because as we
Remember that compound is not only being used by Pastor Kibuloy. If you believe he is still there, may mga estudyante dyan nag-aaral na hindi na nakapag-aral. May mga nakatira dyan na hindi na nakatira, pinalabas ninyo doon sa kanilang tinirahan.
sir,
Merong nag-worship dyan na hindi na nakapag-worship dahil nga sa presensya ninyo. So, you mean to say you are willing to sacrifice all these rights, all these human rights of these people because of your firm belief that Pastor Apollo Kibuloy is still there inside that bunker? Talaga naniwala ka na may bunker dyan sa ilalim?
yes, sir. Sir, if I may, sir,
Yeah.
we are this tenacious in serving these warrants because there are multiple warrants for this person. One of the warrants came out on August 8, 2024.
Okay, we need to discuss this warrant. Alam na natin yan lahat. It is available in open source. Alam
But
natin
this
yan.
is quite something, sir.
Ako mismo, I am